Hello YouTube people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be making a peanut butter mug cake and it's gonna be really exciting. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I'm wearing the same sweater from yesterday, so we're just gonna ignore that. It's fine. Things are going well. Everything's great. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna make this mug cake and get going, so let's get started. Sorry, hold up 1 second. Forgot to do the little intro video to show you what it's gonna look like so that you're excited to make it and that you don't leave this video because of all my talking. So here we go. So the first ingredient we're gonna add is 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of sucrin, a brown sugar sweetener, or you can just use regular sweetener, 1 tablespoon of powdered monk fruit and erythritol sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of xanthan gum, and a little pinch of salt. Then we're just gonna whisk all these ingredients up. Next, I like to melt my peanut butter and butter just on their own, and then I'm also going to add my egg yolk to that. And then we'll just stir it up. I also like to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we'll just add the wet ingredients to the dry and stir until it becomes a thick dough. Next, if we didn't already make it in a mug, then we just want to transfer our batter into a mug and kind of press it down just to form a sort of solid shape. And then we'll pop it in the microwave for 45 seconds to 1 minute. And then here's me trying to get a good clip of what it looks like so I can show you guys. Remind me not to record my outro after I've eaten half of this, because man, there's so many peanuts in my teeth and I didn't notice. So anyways, we're gonna redo that. Hopefully there's less in my teeth now. But yeah, sorry about the lack of quality in the footage today. I was really mad. My lighting with my kitchen just wasn't working out for me today. I mean, it's decent now, but at first it was just not happening. It was so bright and then it was dark and then it was bright and it was just not working. Anyways, this is really good. You're just gonna have to take my word on it. I know it doesn't look that good, but as they say, it's what's on the inside that counts, so yeah. But no, this tastes like a cross between a peanut butter cake and like a chewy peanut butter cookie. It's nice and chewy, and then you add the peanuts on top, which adds a really good crunch. Overall, super happy with this. Tastes really good. I know it doesn't look as good, so I hope you guys just take my word for it, give it a shot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, like and subscribe if you can. Really helps my channel grow. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it's less of a disaster than this one. And I appreciate you staying and continuing to watch otherwise. All right, have a good one. Bye.